If you run a Squarespace website and want a spinning logo orbit or partner carousel, Squarespace doesn't have one built in. In this video, I'll show you how to set it up in under 2 minutes using Logo Orbit by Squarespell. And one thing worth knowing, you can also adjust the spin speed directly in the code. Once installed, your gallery block gets replaced with a smooth rotating orbit of your logo images, all built automatically from a standard Squarespace gallery. No coding knowledge needed, nothing to manually configure. Here's how to do it. First, open your Squarespace editor, add a gallery block, and set the type to carousel in the Design tab. Upload your logo images into that gallery block. You can also drop a text block in the same section for a label, like Our Partners, and position it however you like. Second, go to Pages, then Custom Code, then Code Injection. Paste the plugin code you received after purchase into the footer field and hit Save. That's it. The orbit is live, and it automatically sizes itself on both desktop and mobile. And if you want to change how fast it spins, find the line in the code that says var speed equals 0.3 and just change that number. Higher is faster, lower is slower. Link to Logo Orbit is in the description. If this helped, like and subscribe. See you in the next one.